Sister Maria. What's your name? Ken. Could you spell your name, Ken? Okay. N. Okay. How old are you, Ken? I'm 4. Great job. What animals do you like? I like monkeys. Do you like oranges? Yes, I. How many eyes do you have? I have 2 eyes. What does she do? What does he do? So, what does he do? What does she do? Now, what does he do? Very good. Where does he work? Hospital. Next, what does he do? No, fire. Where does he work? Fire station. Next, what does he do? Police officer. Where does he work? Very good. What do you want to be when you grow up? Do you want to be a police officer or a teacher? I want to be a... Very good. Now here, what letter is it? C. C, what letter is it? D. D, da. What letter is it? Is it letter A or letter B? B. Next, what letter is it? Is it letter F or letter E? Letter E. Next, what letter is it? FF. Next, what letter is it? A. Now here, what is it? Alligator. What letter is for alligator? Is it letter F or letter A? Next, what is it? Farm. What letter is for farmer? Letter F. Next, what is it? Eagle. What letter is for eagle? Letter E. Very good. Next, what is it? Bread. What letter is for bread? Letter B. Here is letter B. Next, what is it? Dinosaur. What letter is for dinosaur? Letter. What letter is it? What letter is this? Letter D. Next, what is it? Club. What letter is for club? Letter C.